Welcome to IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to stop Windows Update service in Windows operating system. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. At first we go to Windows Start menu and right click on the mouse and go to Run option and type msconfig and click OK and find system configuration Windows. In this Windows we find general boot services startup tools tab. In this tab we go to services tab and scroll down of the mouse in the search for Windows Update Service and find Windows Update Service. We just click update, check and go to disable and want to enable and apply this and click OK and your machine we need to restart. Click restart on exit without restart. We click this. In this way we stop Windows Update Service in Windows operating system. If this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel. Keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much.